Hey guys, how you doing? DeWine Hart here, and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning back for another video, welcome back. If you're not familiar with my channel, I talk about learning how to work from home, creating a lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Today's video is going to be about affiliate marketing tips and tricks. It's going to be first and foremost, it's going to be some things where if you're just starting new to this business and you ever have that moment where you wish you would have known this type of setup or style beforehand before you got into it, it's going to be a little bit of that type of information that's going to be delivered to you. And if also if you didn't know it already, and you've been involved in this business, there's a couple of things here to help you, move forward in your business. There's a couple things I wanted to address as far as, tricks and stuff like that. If you're new to the business, keep in mind, especially if you're starting off free and doing the free traffic and everything, there's a couple of things that you can do as far as like posting your, a lot of people, you see a lot of people doing this, and I kind of want to sway you away from doing this. You can do it if you want to, it's totally your choice, but as far as the averages are concerned, as far as my previous experience, it doesn't really work out in your favor. So what I'm talking about is, like, say for instance, if you're focusing on driving traffic and you're telling people about your business through your social media platforms, i.e. Facebook, or anything like that, Instagram, Twitter, things like that. So what I mean is, say for instance, if you're on Facebook, you can join groups, and there's tons of groups out there, work from home groups and things like that you can join up with. And there's lots of people who are in the same niche and field that that you're interested in, and you can join them and stuff like that. Now there are benefits. Now you get to, of course, meet others who are in the business, and maybe they're not successful in what it is that they're utilizing, whatever product that they're promoting and stuff like that. Maybe they're not getting any success, and you can help bridge the gap and bring them into your business. There is that availability there. All right. So what I would suggest is not so much what I'm seeing out here right now. And what I'm seeing here is, for example, I will see a person like, say for instance, Ashley Smith here. Ashley Smith, she's sitting here saying that she's new to the group and everything, and she's looking for opportunities and so on and so forth. And what you see here is 197 people posted to that comment. And all they're doing is they're trying to promote their product to her. 197 comments. That's 197 opportunities are being posted. Is Ashley going to sit there and read all 197 of those? I don't know. Maybe she will. Me personally, I wouldn't. I ain't got that much time in the day to sit here and look through all these comments and research all these links that people are sending me, for something like that. What I suggest for her to do something like that? Nah, I wouldn't. Now, I would say that, it's cooler for her trying to, branch out there and find out what's available and whatnot. But if you were that person that you posted in her comment just now and send your link out to her, 9 times out of 10, she's not going to see your comment. Okay? 197 things, like I said, I'm not going to read through all of those to see what people who are talking about in their business and stuff like that. I'm not going to go through and look through all that. That's just me personally. So keep that in mind. I'm not the only person that thinks that way. And if you're just like what I'm thinking, then, you're right there. We're at that level and point of where I'm at right now, what I'm talking about. So in regards to that, I think that's a complete total waste of time. I've done it, and I done went ham on here and posted my links to many of people who are on here saying, get free traffic. It'll be comments. People will post, get free traffic to your for your business opportunity. Post your link in the comments, and then and people start spamming all through there. Yeah, it doesn't work. Waste of time. I've had maybe out of, I want to say maybe 50 to 100 comments that I've posted on, only had 2. Is that worth it in odds? Nah, not to me. I can do better somewhere else. So I would totally sway away from doing that kind of stuff. Now, what I would do personally with these groups is join these groups and do the same thing in which, like what I'm doing right now with this YouTube right now. Provide value. Post your video if you're doing a YouTube. Post your video within these groups and provide them valuable content. Attract them. This is what this is. This is attraction marketing. That's all what it's about here. So provide them value. Give them, even do like a little short blog post or something like that. And get a bunch of likes and get that traffic and see who's liking you. And network with the people who are liking your stuff. If they're not on your friends list, add them, or hopefully they send a request to you so that you can start seeing, so you can start seeing more stuff that you're talking about. All right, that's how you do this. All right, so that would be my suggestion in that route right there. Another thing you can do, there's this great website right here called Quora.com. I just learned about this site not too long ago, and apparently it's been out for a while. But so not everybody knows about it, but now you know about it, whether you're seeing this video or you saw something else on YouTube talking about it. So what Quora is, it's really cool. You sign up for it, it's free. When you do sign up, you immediately start looking for, it asks you to pick your niche. So if you're in, working from home, affiliate marketing, then you start choosing your different things that you're niched in. And these are all these different niches right here. And you select them as you're going through the profile setup. And then once you've done, I think it's like 7 of them, you can go a little bit deeper. I would go a little bit like 10 to 15 different niches to really drive it down. And then from there, they'll start giving you people who are asking questions about your business. About what it is that the market that you're in and stuff like that. And you can start answering these questions from these people individually, and you can give them a lot of value. So you go into the answer box here, and then from here, you just start picking the questions that you feel like you can answer. And just for some, say for instance, there's a question that you may think that you can answer maybe 50% of it, but not the whole 100% to it. Take that question and go onto YouTube and look for that same exact structure. And then from there, after watching the video, then you can fully answer that person's question. And heck, if you want to even go a little bit deeper, you can hold that question to the side, go do a video on YouTube. And then once you do a video about that question in particular, then you can lead that person back to your YouTube. And how you do that is once you answer their question, like say for instance here, I'll go to answer, like right here, go to answer. And once you're answering their question, you want to give them a detailed description. You don't want to do like a little short answer, stuff like that. So you want to give them a good reply. And then throughout that, you can do what is called like a hyperlink. Do a hyperlink. Say for instance, if you say, oh, YouTube for attraction marketing, and then you highlight it like so, and then you click on the 2 rings connected, and you put a URL. That URL could be leading that person back to your YouTube channel. Now, suggestion, tips that I learned: don't splurge and do a whole bunch of those within your question. Within your answer that you're giving to that person. Do it once. Once it's good enough. Don't have them lead into a whole bunch of different things, because Quora doesn't like it. And what Quora will do, they'll pretty much erase your answer if you put all that stuff in there. So one hyperlink and call it quits and move on to the next one and keep going from there. That's a good way to drive traffic back to your channel so that you can get new fresh eyes to your channel. So that's more consistency stuff right there. So you want to do that constantly every day. That's a good way to, get more, like I said, get more eyes and more attention to your channel and to the things that you're doing. So I would highly suggest you do that. You gotta, when I talked about consistency earlier, and that is totally the key to this whole business is consistency. Don't think about, this, giving you compensation within, a week or a month or even 3 months from now. Think about the long picture when it comes to this here. This is your business. This is your baby. So treat it as such, and, put the effort that you want to get out of this. So, think about this. Keep in mind that, you know, this is not my full-time job. I do have a full-time job. I just got off of work from there not too long ago, and here I am. It's, going on 10 o'clock. It's 9:46 right now. I'd rather be in the bed with my wife right now, relaxing and stuff like that. But no, I'm doing a video right now. I'm putting effort in here. I'm in the middle of a 90-day challenge right now, and it's day 2. I've been doing videos previously before this, of course, but right now I'm on a full bridge from January 1st until 90 days from now of putting out valuable content to you guys. So that's where my drive is at. I got this mindset right now where I really want to attack this business, and I really want to have success, and I want 2019 to be a changing point in my life. I've been thinking about this for a while, so I don't know about you, where you at in your life right now, but I'm certainly at a point right now where I'm tired. I can't do a 20 years at a company or anything like that. I can't do this kind of stuff. It's just not for me. It's not in my DNA. I have that entrepreneur spirit. I gotta have my own, and I gotta get it. So I don't, like I said, I don't know what's going on in your life. I don't know where you at, but right now I just gotta get this done. So I'm gonna keep on giving you value. I'm gonna keep on giving you as much drive as I can possibly give to you guys. I can be as hype as I need to be on these videos, or I can be as truthful and as transparent, as I can possibly be to you guys. I hope I'm giving you value. I hope you like this stuff that I'm doing. I'm going to get more into detail with you guys. It takes time to build all these things up. I like to show you, oh, here's what I'm doing, and this is where my success is at. But my success is not there yet. It's on its way, in the name of Jesus. So that's where I have that at. But as it comes, I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you the good, bad, and the ugly. And it doesn't really matter if it is bad. Nothing at this point can be bad at this point. All right. If I'm making this video, I know I'm hitting somebody. I know I'm touching somebody's spirit right now. I know I'm reaching out to the right people. So people are going to gravitate to me, and I'm going to help them succeed, because I can't succeed unless I help you guys succeed. So I'm going to give you as much value as I possibly can. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications for more videos coming out in the future. I will continue on bringing you guys as much content as I could possibly can. I'm going to keep on my grind. You should do the same, and look forward to, if you guys have comments, leave me comments, man. I want to see where your guys' heads at. I don't care if you leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and I'll progress off of that. I'll get better. All right. So take care. Have a good one, and see you in the next video.